Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to watch TikTok videos in full screen without any distractions using the clear display feature. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're on the home feed, swipe up to scroll and find the video you'd like to watch in full screen. When you've found the video, press and hold anywhere on the screen for about a second. This will open a menu at the bottom of the screen. Now swipe left through the options until you see the one labelled Clear Display. Tap on it, and TikTok will instantly remove all on-screen elements like the like button, comments, captions, and icons, leaving you with just the video. You'll still have a few essential options on screen like play, pause, and playback speed, so you can enjoy the video at your own pace without anything getting in the way. Keep in mind the clear display mode is temporary. If you swipe to another video, TikTok will go back to the regular view and you'll need to enable it again for the next one. Now you know how to enjoy TikTok videos in a clean, distraction-free full screen mode. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.